Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see some few more problem on averages. Okay. Average of 21 result is 18. Average of first 10 result is 17 and last 10 result is 14. Find the 11th result. Now, if you have seen my previous videos, then definitely you will be able to solve this problem. Now, I request you to stop the video, see how you are approaching to this problem. What is your first logic to this problem? How you are building this formula and then solve this problem. Because एग्जाम में प्रॉब्लम आने से अच्छा इधर अपने को अपना कमियां जानना चाहिए कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है. Correct. Now I assume you have stopped this video and solved it by yourself. So what it is given? It is saying that average of 21 result is 18. That means it is saying that sum of 21 divided by 21 is 18. That means total value of this 21 is 21 into 80. Now see students, we are not allowed to have a calculator in the exam. So our approach should be to simplify the calculation. Okay. Now 18 into 21. We can't do this, but we can do 18 into 20. 18 to the how much? Tell me how much. You are right. It is 18 to the is our 36. Okay. And if we do 1820, 18 multiplied by 20 is 360. Okay. Now it is not asking this 18 multiplied by 20. It is asked 21. That means we have to add one more 80 to this 360. That means it becomes 378. So that this is how our approach should be. Okay. So I will do only this. Again, it is saying that average of first 10 result is 70. That means the first 10 is our 1 to 10. Okay, this is 1 to 10 divided by 10, and it is saying it is 70. Tell me how much value it will be of 1 to 10. Sum of 1 to 10, summation of 1 to 10 is 170. Correct? It is 170. And the last 10 result is 40. Given number is 21. Last 10 from 21 minus 10, it is 11. We have to consider it from 12. So 12 to 21 is summation of 12 to 21. Okay, one mistake. Summation of 10 to 21 is our 14. This is simple calculation. Summation of 10 to 12, sorry, 12 to 21 is 140. Now everything is in front of you. Solve it. We have the total value. Correct. We have the first end result, we have the last end result. It is asking find the 11th result. That means we have to find P11. Okay, we do not know. So as you know, A plus B plus C, and if we have the total value and we have been given A and C, just add this A and C and subtract it with total value, we will be getting the B value. So it will be sum of one first end result is 170, 11th result we don't know, sum of last result is 140, and the total value is 378. 170 plus 140 is our 310. Okay, so 310 plus T11 is equal to 378. So T11 will be our 68, because this 310 goes to this right hand side and become minus. So 378 minus 310 is our 68. Correct? But student, we want to solve this problem in 5 seconds. As I have promised you that you will be able to solve all the problems like this. चुटकियों में. Okay. So we will solve it by 5 seconds. Just observe. Okay. What is the final average? That means total average. It is 18. What is the first 10 result average? What is the first 10 result average? 17. What is the 11th? We don't know. What is the last 10 average? 40. Now student, tell me how far 70 is from 80? This is 18. Okay. So we have to go one step back. 80, 70. That means minus 1. Correct. How far this 14 from 18? Minus 4. Okay. So minus 4. Now this 70 is for a single element or a group of element? This 70 is for 10 results. Okay. So we have to multiply it by 10. Similarly, this 14 is average of last 10 results. Therefore, we have to multiply this difference with 10. Now this minus 10 and this minus 40 becomes minus 50. Now, as per the averages property, the addition of the differences is always 0. Now this minus 50, if you want to make it 0, how will you make minus 50 0? How much value we have to add? Plus 50. So this 11th result value will be such that the difference of 18 and the T11 will be 50 plus 50. Okay. So it is plus 50. That means 18 plus 50 is 68. Correct? You are not doing in this problem like 80 into 21, 70 into 10, and then add it, then again subtract it. So much drama. Correct? Just we are observing the differences, adding it, how much we want. Like in this case, we have difference of plus 50. So we have added in our total average, and we get the T11, मतलब 11th result अपने को मिल गया. Simple. So this is how we solve in 5 seconds. We will see the 12 problem. No, this is very important question for campus placement. and definitely you will be able to solve with a simpler approach. Average age of a class 20 student is 10 years. When the teacher age was included, average become 30 years. Find the age of the teacher. Stop this video and solve it by yourself. Average of 20 student is 10 years. Okay, I assume you have stopped this video and now I'm solving for you. It is saying that average of 20 students is 10. That means how much will be the total age of that 20 students? 200. Correct. Again it is saying that after adding teacher age, that means the group of that 20 student, teacher also added. Now it will become 21 members of that group. So sum of that 21, sum of 21 is 13. Now the sum of 21 is 13 into 21. Correct. So 13 into 21 is 13 to the 26, but here it is 20. So 260 plus 1, sorry, plus 30 is 273. So it is 273. Now see that students, we have the total age of that group of 20 students before the teacher age is included, and after including the teacher age, it is 273. First standard student can solve this problem. Teacher age is now 73 because 273 minus 200. Before adding and after adding, take the difference and you will get teacher age. But we want to solve this problem in 5 seconds. Correct. So this was our first or naive approach. This is our naive approach. Can we solve it with more time, sorry, with less time? Let's see. So our current average is 30 years. After adding teacher, it is 30 years. Initial average was 10 years. After adding this, and how this 10 years become 30 years average? Because we have added teacher age, you know. So this is a teacher age that we do not know. How far this 10 is from this 30? It is minus 3. Okay. We have to take minus 3 steps. So this 10 is for only one student or 20 students? 20 students. So it is minus 3 into 20. And it become minus 3 into 20 is minus 60. Now as per the averages property, the sum of differences should be 0. Now to make this minus 60 0, this teacher age should be such that the total average difference with this teacher should be plus 60. So this we are giving as plus 60. So 30 plus 60 is 73. Simple. Now tell me which one is easier? The first approach where we are doing multiplication. See that this multiplication took very time. Sometimes it should be like very difficult, like 37 into 9. We can't do this without calculator. We can do, but it will take time. And in the second approach, we are just doing what? Taking the difference, just small difference, and seeing how much we are required to make it 0. Now in the exam, which approach we will be using? Approach number 2. But if you ask me, I will use approach number 3. Now you will say, what is approach number 3? कहाँ से लाया भाई तू? इधर तो 2 ही है. रुको जरा, सबर करो, बता दो. उससे पहले एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. Let's say there are 10 students, each of them having 10 chocolates. Okay, there are 10 students and they are having 10 chocolates, and if they are all of them having 10 chocolates, what will be the average of all the students chocolates? 10. Now I want to join this group and I am also having 10 chocolates. Okay, so if I am joining this 10 group of 10 as an 11th member, will the average will be increased, or will it remain same, or it will be decreased? If I am having the same number of chocolates, it will remain same. But if I am having only 5 chocolates, if I am having only 5 chocolates, now the total average will decrease, or remain same, or it will be increased? It will decrease. Let's consider, now I am having 20 chocolates. Okay, I am having 20 chocolates. Now I am joining this group. Average will increase, or it will remain same, or it will decrease? I am having more number of chocolates than the total average. Definitely it will increase. Similarly, in this problem, 20 students having the average of 10 years. That means we will consider each of the students having age 10 years. Let's consider this is a class of 7th standard, not 7th standard. Let's say class of 5th standard. Okay, मतलब ये 5th standard के बच्चे हैं और उनका एवरेज है 10 years. Now we are adding teacher age, assuming teacher age also 10 years. I know it is not possible, but let's assume it. Teacher age, what is it? Teacher age is also 10. Now tell me guys, will the average will increase, or it will remain same? Definitely it will remain same. But as it is given, average is becoming 30 years. That means 3 years more than the initial average. Okay, so it is saying that it is increasing 3 more times. For how many people? After adding teacher, it will become 21 members of that class. $73. Now tell me, which one is an easier approach? First one, where we do so much of multiplication. Second one, where we do find the differences and then observe it and then add it again. Or the third one, it is a one-liner where we just assume that whichever member we are adding or removing, it is the same, and the increase average we are multiplying with number of peoples. I will tell you again, if we are adding, assuming that it is same as the average, In this our case, we are assuming it as a 10. Correct? It is assuming as 10, and the increase average is 3. That means initially it was 10 and now it is 30. Difference is 3. Or how much people? 21. Because adding the teacher, it will be group of 21. So 21 into 3 plus 10 is our 73. Simple. Now stop this video and solve it by yourself. Same question, just modification we have done. I assume you have solved within 5 seconds. Average age of class 20 students is 12 years. Considering all the student is having 12-year age. When the teacher age was included, average become 40. So it is simple. So we are assuming teacher age also 12. How much average it is increased? 2. Now how many people are there in the group? 21. Earlier it was 20 students. Now adding teacher, it will become 21. So 2 into 21 is 42. 42 plus 12 is 54. सिंपल. 5 सेकंड क्या, 2-3 सेकंड में भी हो सकते. जब तक स्टूडेंट आपके जो कॉम्पिटिटर रहेंगे ना, वो सिर्फ क्वेश्चन पढ़ते रहेंगे और आपका आंसर ऐसा आता रहेगा. आग लगा डालोगे भाई, आग लगा डालोगे. समझ रहे हो? और एक प्रैक्टिस एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं और वीडियो खत्म करते हैं. क्लास ऑफ 20 स्टूडेंट्स, एवरेज एज है 7. टीचर को ऐड करने के बाद एवरेज बिकम 9 years. 1. Now I will count and within 5 seconds you should solve this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have got your answer, right? If you have, अगर शिद्दत से अगर पढ़ा होगा ना, डेफिनेटली आपको आया होगा इसके आंसर. Simple. Assuming all is having, including teacher, it is having 7-year age. How much age is increased? 2. Or how many people? 21. Earlier it was 20, but after adding it become 21. 2 into 21 is 42. 42 plus 7 is 49. Simple. Hope you have understood all this problem, and if you have understood, please do like, share with your friends and subscribe कर दो यार, please. चलो, bye.